Suggestion: none. Chia seeds are like magic in a spoon. Imagine boosting your fiber intake, improving digestion, and staying full longer, all while keeping your carbs low. Sounds like a dream, right? These tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch. Just an ounce gives you 10 grams of fiber and only 2 net carbs. Oh, and did I mention they're loaded with omega-3s protein and antioxidants? Here's the fun part. You can sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. Versatile much? So next time you're planning your meals, think chia seeds. And hey, share your favorite chia recipes in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and keep those carbs low and spirits high. And did you know? A recent study from Harvard found that a weight loss drug is linked to fewer COVID-19 deaths. Stay informed and stay healthy. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also known for their ability to absorb water and expand, creating a gel-like substance. This makes them perfect for thickening smoothies, making puddings, or even as a natural energy gel for athletes. The versatility of chia seeds doesn't stop there. You can also use them to make a delicious and nutritious chia seed jam. Simply mix chia seeds with your favorite fruit and a bit of sweetener and let it sit until it thickens. It's a healthy alternative to traditional jams and jellies, and it's packed with fiber and nutrients. Chia seeds are also a great addition to your breakfast routine. Add them to your oatmeal, cereal, or yogurt for an extra boost of nutrition. And if you're looking for a quick and easy snack, try making chia seed energy bites. Mix chia seeds with nut butter, honey, and your favorite mix-ins, and roll them into bite-sized balls. They're perfect for a quick and healthy snack on the go. So, whether you're looking to boost your fiber intake, improve your digestion, or just add some extra nutrition to your meals, chia seeds are the way to go. Remember, chia seeds are not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile. So get creative and start incorporating chia seeds into your diet today. And don't forget to share your favorite chia seed recipes in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and keep those carbs low and spirits high. And did you know? A recent study from Harvard found that a weight loss drug is linked to fewer COVID-19 deaths. Stay informed and stay healthy.